A lot of coaches, less kids, more exposure, great teachers. Everything is perfect. It's one you can't miss if you're a face-off guy.
It was an easy decision to come back. Just because great coaches, great support. You know, if you're thinking about college, these guys are really good. As soon as we reached out, the coaches were far more responsive here.
It's a competition, iron sharpens iron. So, he's excited to get out in front of some really high quality face-off guys and just improve his skills. This is a great opportunity for him to continue to develop as a face-off specialist.
I think they're really good with the kids. They bring professional level training, and they get good practice and good reps, all different types of kids from all over.
Find it, keep that tight. Good rep, go.
Do 100 face-offs in your first day, to get some of the peer interactions and at the same time some of the coaches interactions and some of their speeches that they had to say at the end of the practice. I think it's well worth the investment.